everybody, so I found this at Walmart, Assassin's Creed Mega Bloks building set. So this is Ezio, it's 48 pieces, it's 10 and up, and that's kind of weird that it's 10 and up because the game is 18, mature, so it's kind of weird that they made a kid's toy, but okay. But anyways, so this is who was also in the set. So we got He-Man, Skeletor, Spock, Master Chief. There wasn't any Master Chief. I went through all of them on the shelf and there wasn't one on there. So, and the Guardian T800 Guardian. So I'm kind of thought that He-Man and Skeletor is on there because I vaguely remember them. The TV show's cartoon's not on anymore, as far as I know. But yeah, so a lot of kids now probably wouldn't even know what it is. But hey, you never know. So yeah. So I'm on the look for Master Chief. But so yeah. So I got this. It's all official. It's got the Ubisoft logo on there. So yeah, I thought I'd put it together and show you what it looks like. So yeah. So I just slit the top open and look at this box. Like, that's wicked. I guess you could unfold it and color it. See what the rest of the box looks like. You got Ezio's face on here. And there it's on individual bags. And instructions here. So let's see what these pieces look like. Oh yeah, look at the inside. You got like a scene in there. Okay, I'm going to unfold it and show you. Yeah, there's like a whole scene in here of their other sets inside the box when you unfold it. That's awesome. Dump the toy just to play with the box. Like, you could color it if you wanted to. But yeah, that's the inside of the box. Mega Bloks. That's good thinking. Lots of detail. So yeah, that's the inside of the box. Cool. Put that aside. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. 5 bags and a book of instructions. So I think I'll build some, then show ya, then build some, or is this going to be a really long video and I can't do it with one hand. So yeah. So yeah, I'm going to put some together and show you what it looks like. Okay. So here we are so far. There's his head. So yeah. That's how we are so far. Okay, so I'm at the eye part, and I have to admit these are really fiddly. Let's see if I can show you. So it actually is 3 pieces. So I think if you're doing this with a kid, they might need help with this part because they are very tiny. Like that, it's a little white ring, and then that little piece for the, I guess you call it eyelid, is very small. So yeah, so those are the eye pieces. And it goes like right in here. Don't want to make them cross-eyed. There we go. So yeah, and these kind of pop in. But yeah, the eye pieces are the smallest pieces so far in the set. Hey, look at that. His face emerges. So it looks like this piece pops onto this piece. Somehow with my hand. And there we go. See, he got his mouth. His mouth and eyebrows. Looks kind of angry here. Yeah, it's coming along. There's his head. Look at that. His head's done. Got his hood all on there. Now it looks like they're doing the body next. Okay, so the body's all together. That's the front. And there's the back, his cape. So yeah, now we're moving on to the arms. So it got his arms on. So all I gotta do is attach the head. And he is finished. Should hopefully just push on. There you go. His head's on. His arms are movable. So yeah, there's Enzio. All finished. He's got his head and cape on. His cloak. Pretty cool. So there are a couple fiddly parts. The eyes are kind of small. And the hands are kind of fiddly to put together. But overall, it's a pretty solid toy. Now, if it's like for 10-year-olds, or I think maybe you might have to help them put a few of the small parts together. But yeah, so there it is. Pretty cool. Double check my pictures. Yeah. Yeah, it's all good to go, and it's got the others in the set in the book here. So overall, it's a good toy for 10-year-olds. Might need a little help with some of the pieces, but it's pretty solid. So yeah, that's the Mega Bloks Assassin's Creed Enzio toy. I'm gonna have a look for Master Chief, but I'll probably pick that up. Yeah, overall, good toy. So yeah, there you go. Later.